Hi guys and welcome to my third video. Today with a new series and it's called MSP Adventures Movie Star Planet. Basically I played this game and my account got hacked. Unfortunately. Which means that we have to create a new one. Which looks super disgusting. So we're gonna try to find some VIP friends, because I heard that VIP friends can. It's just my dog. Because I heard that VIP friends can actually greet you. So my username will be Dramatic Sock, of course. Yes, it's free. Okay. Oh, this is so loud. Okay, guys, so I just skipped that loud thing. And now we're gonna accept your friend request, because we're nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is get some hair. We're gonna, choose colors for your reward. Just make this. Good. Okay. We look super disgusting right now. But don't make me foot. Yay. Okay, so now it's just gonna be gift opening, and I think this is a little bit boring for you. So let's skip to over gift opening. Okay, so guys, I opened up a lot of presents right now, and what we're gonna do is just restyle my avatar right now, cause like everything I have looks super disgusting. Okay. Ooh, I want to like throw up or something. Who cares? Okay, I still have more gifts down there, like here, but I won't open them. Like, I'm not a noob at MSP. I can play. Ew, I look so disgusting. This guy is so cute. He has a girlfriend, but still. Okay, so guys, there's like literally no VIPs in here, so I'm gonna search for some VIPs, and if I find some, I'll go friend them, and then I'll see you. Okay, so I just found this one VIP. This girl is so pretty. I wanna die. Look at them. Oh my god, guys. I'm sick and tired of it. So basically, what we're gonna ask this girl is, hey, you're VIP, right? I don't know if normal people can also greet. I never heard of it. But hey, you're VIP, right? See if she writes back. I'll see you if she writes. Okay, guys, it's been like 5 minutes and she wrote yes. Do you still have diamonds? She's online now. Okay, yes. Could you maybe greet me? Could you maybe greet me? Guys, what am I doing down here? I'm just writing a friend. Oh, okay, but only because you're so ugly, so mean. Okay, but I'll say okay. Like, is she gonna greet me now? Or what? Okay, guys, it's been like 5 minutes and she still didn't greet me. So, like, I'm wondering when she will. Well, okay, guys. Actually, she greeted me. So it's been like another 5 minutes. And now she greeted me. So, yay. Okay, I'm just leveling up. Yay! That means we get 500 coins. Okay, let's thank you. Oh, she did it again. Oh, she's so nice. She even hugs me. I think that's like an animation you can buy. Thanks, OMG. Thanks. I feel like she's just ignoring me right now. She greeted me again. Seriously, guys, this girl is awesome. Go show her some love. Slays, go show her some love. Is she? She's killing me! You're killing me. You're so nice. I'm literally shaking. Okay, guys, I'm not, but that's just a nice thing to say. Welcome. Okay, guys, I think we have enough to go. You can guess it. Beauty clinic. We have to get some beauty all up in here. I have to get some new eyes. Oh, we'll get these eyes. Okay, we'll buy this look. No, I look super cool, guys. You're so cute, Lola. Okay. So, no, I won't look like her. So we're gonna get some hair. Okay. Okay, guys, now I really think this will be boring for you, so I'll see you again. Okay, so guys, I chose my outfit, and that girl that greeted me once, she just greeted me again. So I don't know what's with that, but she's so nice. I love her. Okay, don't forget to go show her some love. So I just want one new thing, and those are new paintings. Because I really didn't like the pants. Those are way too short. So as I was saying, I don't like the pants I'm wearing right now. Do you like know my style? Oh, those are so pretty, but they're for freaking VIP. Okay, well, if we have that, we're gonna... Actually, I don't have to buy a shirt. Once more. Man. I'm just singing a song, sorry guys. Inu isn't terrible. Yeah. Once more. Automatic. In the trunk. The gun. Okay, guys. So, we're gonna get the shoes. Get the thing. And we're gonna get the lovely ponytail. So, now my look is really awesome. Yeah, once more. Yeah, okay, I'll just stop, guys. Now, guys, I stopped. No worries. I want to get an animation. Can I get that one? Yep, I'm gonna get it. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna see you again when I looked a bit for some friends or something. Okay guys, as you can. So what I did right there was this one girl in chat which wanted to be friends with me, but then I couldn't friend her for like some reason. I don't know what reason. And then she said, look me up. So I looked her up and now I have her, you know. Oh, she's actually, oh my god, she's giving me gifts. So show show that girl some love. She's giving me gifts. And giving gifts is nice, okay, guys? So, okay, now, like, really go show her some love. She's so nice. She's not a VIP, but oh my god, she's giving me so many gifts, guys. I feel like I want to just, I feel like I want to kiss that girl. She's so nice. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know what the gifts are right there. I don't know what the gifts are, but I hope they're cool gifts. So we're gonna open them, but where do I open them? Oh, I just click on here. Okay, she sent me so many gifts. So pretty necklace. Wearing it. Those are some cool glasses. Wearing them. Those are some cool kitty ears. Wearing them. Those are some cool, like, whatever that is. Wearing it. Oh, no, I can't wear the kitty ears. I love it. Wearing it. Okay. So, we don't have any more gifts. Oh my god, we do. Okay, I'm not wearing that. Not wearing this. I'm not wearing that. I'm not wearing that hair. I am wearing. Oh my god, she gave me her hair. Guys, this girl is killing me. She's super nice. Let's add some things to my wish list. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna look at the things and add some gifts to my wish. Okay, guys, this is it for the video. I put some gifts on my wish list, and as you can see, the thing is just the same as my Roblox. So, yeah, what is this? I'm just gonna open this and then. Okay, bye guys! See you next time! Just a quick reminder, don't forget to leave a big thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out.